Guys, the filters that the people back home be using are crazy. Look at this. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله. Guys, what the heck? Like, who wants to be this white? Look at this. Look. Literally, it gives me color. I'm literally light skinned myself. Like, if you see me in real life, you're gonna be like, this girl, what does she do? But still, like, it's giving even me some type of color. How the color come? waxay Korean, Miss Hispanic, waxaas oo kale Carabiyaasha horta anaga Carab ma lahno Afrikaan aan ahna so midabkan horta midabkeena ma aha Ilaahay wuxuu nagu abuuray midab brown madow you know horta anaga midabka ma tala galin Ilaahay ka cabsada like stop lying to yourself guys and like stop bleaching yourself to achieve this because this is not even for us horta Korean kana tomato sunscreen yo waxas damarsanay sacadeynayana we got a midabkan ma haystaan that's the crazy thing how are you guys trying to achieve this it's like it doesn't even make any sense this makes sense I look African like I might not have like the biggest melanin like waxiris midab waa haystaa be for real like what are these toxic filters